Hey y'all, we're staying late tonight for Christmas party and cornhole tournament, but I wanted to show y'all the updates on our newest house. Is a 36 by 10. So let's check out the inside. It's coming along, but we're not quite. It's gonna be January before it's finished. So she's got these great big French doors. And then the back stairs. We've done a couple other. So that's the living area and dining area. And then this is the kitchen. So just wanted to give you all a quick update. This one's got, and show everybody, here's the stand-up loft. That's that, I think it's a king-size bed platform in this one. But this is the reason there's no storage under that bed platform, because of your bathroom. This is the bathroom. She's gonna have a shower in the corner there. So here's what it looks like. Pocket door before the wall goes in. And so there's no storage in the bed platform because the bathroom's under there. So here's what it looks like before there's gonna be shelves here on the edge. And she's doing a space here for her sewing machine. I think it's an antique sewing machine. So 36 by 10 Homesteader Deluxe plus the back stairs. So I'll show you how those back stairs work out if I don't fall going down these stairs. No railings yet. So it makes a turn here. And then there's a stand-up landing. So it's kind of a hybrid. It's a crawl-in loft. Room for a king-size bed, but the wardrobe's here and you can still stand up beside your wardrobe to get dressed. So that's the back of the mini split. So that's how this one is laid out. 2 storage staircases. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Merry Christmas.